What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which mammal is known to have the most powerful bite? Hippopotamus. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Parrot. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. What is the main diet of a panda? Bamboo. Which marine animal is known for its intelligence and ability to use tools? Dolphin. Which animal is known for its distinctive black and white stripes? Zebra.